What's up, guys? So in today's episode, we'll be looking at the Xiaomi Android TV box, the second generation one. So at the time of recording, this is the latest Android TV box from Xiaomi. So let's check it out. So as you can see here from the box, on the box here, it says that it has Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube Kids, Xiaomi TV Plus, and here it promises us 4K Ultra HD. Well, we'll see. And if you want to buy this box, I'll put links in the description. So go to the description and check out the link. All right, let's go ahead and open our box. All right, so I'll remove the plastic coating. All right, there is our box. And then now let's open inside to see what's inside. Let's see. There we go. All right, okay, that's weird. Our box is not in a plastic like most of the box. All right, okay, but well, it is what it is. So this is our box. So this is the second generation. This is the latest Android TV box from Xiaomi. And then let's see what else is in the box. All right, the user manual. Oh, this looks a bit big. If you look at it, I'm sure it has multiple languages. Let's see. So yeah, we have a lot of different languages in here. That's why it's big. I'm sure there is English somewhere here. And this will obviously help you in setting up your box. And also, if you have any problems with the box, you can always refer back to the manual. All right, that's it. And then we have our HDMI cable. Our HDMI cable, it's not really long. It's short, probably 50 meters. But obviously, if you want a bigger one, you can get yourself another cable if your setup needs a longer cable. And then we also have our charger. Let's see the wattage here. So this is a 5.2 volts, 2.1 amp. So that's 10.92 watts. And it looks like the normal charger on most Android TV boxes. And then last but not least, we have our remote. So as you can see that this remote has shortcuts to Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and also applications. Here we have our home here. And then this is Xiaomi TV Plus. And then here, this is the Google Assistant button. So it means this remote has an inbuilt microphone. So that if you just press here, you'll be able to control your Android TV box with your voice. It looks cool. All right, and then it doesn't feel heavy. I'm sure there are no batteries inside. Let's just check to see if we have any batteries. All right, and then yeah, there's no batteries here. So it uses 2 by AAA batteries. So you have to fork out another $10 to get yourself batteries. All right, okay. So this is what you get if you buy the Xiaomi second generation Android TV box: the remote, the power pack or the charger, HDMI cable, the box itself, and the manual. So now let's just get a closer look on our Android TV box. Really nothing special about this box. As you can see, it only has one USB port and one HDMI port. The HDMI port is fine, but the USB port now, I would prefer at least 2 USB ports. You might need to buy an extender for the USB port if you want to use multiple USB devices. So this is what you get. And then here we have our audio jack. And then we also have the power port here. So this is our Android TV box. As you can see, it's already scratched. I don't know, is it from manufacturing or on transportation, but it's already scratched. Like you saw when we were opening, it did not have any covering in the box. So probably that is why it's scratched like this. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, there you go. So that's those scratches there. They are already there. So it looks old, but it's a new box as you saw that we unboxed it here. Yeah, so this is it. So now let's connect our TV box so that we can see the applications that are pre-installed and also other things that it promises. All right, let's power up our guy and see. There we go. All right, now our device is ready. Then you can click on start exploring. Okay, so this is our box. So as you can see, this is our home where we have Xiaomi TV Plus, page for Netflix, YouTube. The list goes on and on and on. We also have Miracast, okay. And then Apple TV, this is just a preview of what you get on Apple TV. All right, and then that's Google Play Movies and TV. All right, yeah, this looks authentic as promised. All right, and then if you go up, let's just look at the apps. So here we have app category with entertainment. You can organize your apps. Pretty impressive, eh? And then you can also add Showmax and all these other applications, Spotify, NFL. Yeah, if you ask me, this looks like a Apple TV box. Applications that are there and even the way they are set up, it definitely looks like an Apple TV box. Even the choice of applications here, this is like a copycat of the Apple box. All right, okay, so these are the apps and then library. Okay, and then let's try our shortcuts to see if they really work. Okay, so go ahead and press Netflix and see if you're going to go straight to Netflix. There we are, and then let's try another shortcut. So let's try YouTube. So I'm going to press here on YouTube for the shortcuts. There we go. So it means our shortcuts are working. What about Prime Video? So Prime Video. Oh, there we are. Okay, so let's go back to YouTube and just check our picture quality. So I'm going to choose this video. This is one of our video with the Ematic 4K Ultra HD Android TV box unboxing. If you haven't watched it, you can go ahead and watch it. All right. Okay, so it looks like the quality is okay. Let's play the video just to make sure. So I'll click on this one. That looks okay as well. The color balance there is fine. Yeah, that's okay. So I would say on picture quality, you'll be covered. You'll be covered, and the videos are playing smoothly as well. All right, okay, now let's test our Google Assistant. So I'll press the Google Assistant button and say out something. Sky News. Oh, looks like it's working. So there we have our Sky News. It's already playing. So I'll cancel this one, but our Google Assistant is working properly. Okay, let's try it one more time. MKBHD. All right, there we are. Oh, so that's our guy, Marcus Brownlee. So as you see, our Google Assistant is working properly. So this looks like a decent TV box. I mean, for the price, I bought this one for $80. So that price range, usually you get very bad Android TV boxes, but for this one, it's pretty impressive. It's pretty impressive. We'll do obviously a deeper review in 2 weeks time after using this box for 2 weeks, and I will do a proper review where we'll be looking at the box in depth. But so far, I would say I'm impressed. All right, let's go to home and see if you can download something. So I'll press on the home button and then I'll go to search. And then I'll use Google Assistant for this one. Let's search for games. We'll just pick one from the applications that will come. So we'll go for Hungry Shark Evolution. All right, I'll click on it. All right, and then here it says Google Play. So it means it's Google certified, as you can see that we are downloading from Google Play Store. All right, so I'll come here and click on install and we'll see it's going to install. All right, continue. And our Hungry Shark Evolution is downloading. There it goes. Right, and now let's go and play our game. So I'll click on play. So that is for the edge. So I'll choose my edge. All right, and then I'll go down and say accept. All right, and our game is loading. All right, and then I'll click next, and then I'll accept. All right, I'll next, don't allow, sign in. The quality is okay. It's playing smoothly. There's no freezing. So we are going to end here. Okay, so let us know in the comment section what you think about our Xiaomi second generation Android TV box, if you like it, or if it's one of those boxes that you think is just a waste of money. But in my opinion, I think for the price, it's a good buy. Obviously, it's not the best on the market, but if you are looking at the functions, what it offers, and the price, so let us know in the comment section what you think. My name is the Duke of Tech. See you on the next one.